guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you for joining me today. I want to share with you a few quick and easy DIY. So I picked up these two boxes from my local grocery store. So you will need two boxes. You will need a grill pan, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. You get two for $1. You'll need a knob, and I picked mine up from Walmart. You'll need your scissors, and you will need a razor or a knife. You'll need spray paint, but that's optional. You will need your glue gun and your glue sticks. Now you'll need to remove the back of your cardboard. And I should mention that if you have a shoebox, that will work perfectly as well. So we want to separate our grill pan. We're going to use the back of our box to trace out onto our grill pan. Once you've cut out your grill pan, you're going to go ahead and glue it to the back side of your cardboard. But I must mention, be very careful with it because it's very sharp. this next DIY is going to be a wall decor. You will need a Dollar Tree canvas, and this is the large one. You will need some stickers, and I'm going with the Walmart stickers. They're plastic and a little bit thicker. They're 98 cents as well. You will need ribbon, and this one came from Hobby Lobby for 79 cents. You need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You will need spray paint and some embellishment. You also need your blow dryer. Now I went ahead and laid out a scene that I want for my canvas, and then I add some glue just to hold the bottom of my sticker to the canvas. Now I mentioned your blow dryer. Your blow dryer is going to melt the plastic onto the canvas, and so I want to use the glue to hold it from blowing away. Make sure your blow dryer is on high heat. And basically what I'm doing here, this technique, is to melt my plastic sticker onto the canvas. I must say that I was very pleased with the way it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I want to go ahead and add a little bow to the neck of my bunny. Once everything is in place and you like the way your bunny looks, you want to go ahead and outline it with your diamond wrap. So this next DIY is going to be a bird's nest. I've shared with you guys before that we get all our vines from our local park, and now I pick up some of the moss that they have there, but be careful, there could be bugs on it, so you can just sit it out, let it dry. So basically you will need your vines. If you don't have vines, you can use a Dollar Tree rope or twine, and you will need some sticks to go along and fill that in. So you will need, if you do have your vines, you will need your glue gun, your glue sticks, you will need raffia, and you will need moss. You also will need some eggs to decorate your bird's nest. Now this moss came from our park, and the green one came from Walmart. Now the Dollar Tree does sell moss as well, so you can use the Dollar Tree moss, but I did get my moss from Walmart and they were on clearance for 79 cents. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I hope you like the way that these DIYs turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and please share the videos with your family and friends. It does help my channel to grow and I truly appreciate that. Thank you for your time, your comment, and your support. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are about these stay-at-home DIYs. Okay guys, don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, I will see you on my next DIY.